Hi everyone, it's the aftermarket with some notes from today's trading, the 13th of April. And a quick reminder that under free videos and charts, we do try to post some of our postings all day long that we have made with charts. So rather than go through all of them tonight, I just wanted to remind you that's where we keep them. Anybody that wants to take a look at them, you're welcome to go there and take a look at some of our posts and charts and some of the text. We thought today early that the 87.5 would hold. We thought that was a primary support idea, trying to get back in, close the half gap, and possibly retest the 98 that we had posted as resistance late day on Friday. When the market got there in a hurry and took that out during RTH, any high was available, but the predetermined plan was, let's see if we can't hold that 02 to 98 zone and back and fill, because this week is option expiration, and we just felt that a lot of games being played during this time period. And when we get a very strong opening bar, we have no idea whether it's going to be a solid trend day up or more muted. We elected to think a two-way day and said, let's take one step at a time. And by the end of IB, let's think if we can try to nibble short and see if there's anything to come back and test support. Realistically, during lunch, we had the breakdown, took out the IB low, and after that, realistically, our targets became that 87.5, and be very careful about getting too much below that. Big 85, the boys seem to like to defend that neighborhood, and we elected to use the 83, which was Friday's low, as our base support for the day. This green box represents the overnight high and low. We felt we could take out the highs, and we could also take out the lows. And basically, once we came back into this 96 and a quarter, the high from Friday, once we got back under that, we felt we had a shot to come down and test the rain line, which was at this 88 area. So the primary trade actually reversed. In the morning, the primary trade was long, but the day's primary turned out to be the short side squeeze on trapped longs. And the real key, we felt, was taking out the IB low. And this blue line right here at lunchtime, being aborted underneath that 96 and a quarter, that was the key, we felt, and opened the door to come down and test the 85s and lower. We felt we were running out of time. Told traders, make sure you just flat if you're a day trader. This relationship, we thought we could bounce right here and retest one more time, 93.5. Told anybody long to make sure you get profits 92.5 to 93.5. Turned out never got to the 93.5. We're a good solid short. Too much air on the daily chart was our belief, and we thought that because of that, maybe we could get a head fake long side and then pull back in and do some range type trading. Primary box, we felt, was right here, 21.01, and we thought that 88.75, which was last year's high, would be a great box to try to range trade, and obviously a little over, a little under, would not make or break the day, but we felt the core trade should be inside there. Started the day with the 60-minute chart, supportive, and by the end of the day had come back through the blue line. Looking to the next, we look to the 90s and the 120s to see where they are potentially supportive. And we try to curve fit this based on what we think are the important numbers. So it's not just about using these charts. These are a part of the system, but not the be-all, end-all. We like charts without the spaghetti on them as well, and these are guides for us. You can see where this 240 chart had taken off from back here a few days ago. So over time, we keep looking to see what charts are best in play. This very specific bar we felt was the resistance bar, and we thought today largely trade this yellow box. Thought the support should come in at the low end, and the resistance, if we got above this line, we felt that anything up here needed to be contained by this high, and if so, then we could get a regression trade to come back in and retest this box, needing to break that 91 to 92 to open the door to come back in and test lows. And wrapping up, this low right here we feel is the important support low for now, and until these few lows right in here get taken out, that's supportive. We need to undo that. Currently that's right below us here, and this was our support for today. So after hours, let's see what happens. We usually advise traders to go home flat and then open up tomorrow and start all over again and try to figure out what the next trades will be. Hope you had a great day. This is E signing off, and catch you on the next one.